Hello, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing the Cimitra Server as a Docker instance. I will be using CoreOS in this video. The base OS has already been installed, and I will focus on installing just the Cimitra Server software. I will connect to this instance of CoreOS using PuTTY. I have already saved the connection settings in PuTTY to use the secure shell key that I authorized when setting up this instance of CoreOS. First, I will download the default Docker Compose file from app.cimitra.com. By having the commands copied to a text file, I'm able to prevent myself from the hassles of typos by copying the commands directly to the secure shell console, and it speeds up the installation process. Next, I import the Cimitra Docker image. As is, this Docker image can be used for free with limitations, but you can purchase a license to upgrade it to the team version. Because Docker on CoreOS doesn't come with Docker Compose, the next 3 lines install Docker Compose. Last, we run Docker Compose up to start the server. Optionally, we can use the D flag to have it run as daemon in the background. Cimitra takes about 30 seconds to a minute to start all of the required services. Noting the IP address of the server, you can open a web browser to that IP to get the login page. Because we're using a self-signed certificate in this Docker build, your browser may warn that the site is not secure. Feel free to ignore this warning and proceed. There are ways to use a valid certificate, but we won't cover that topic in this video. Likewise, instead of using the IP address, you can configure your DNS to use a more personalized domain name. Check the current documentation for the default username and password. Once logged in, please remember to change the default credentials.